Alrighty there, guys. It is me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with the final day at SITC. So this will be our final vlog of the weekend, and yeah, so it's been a crazy weekend. We've just gone down for breakfast now. I literally still look zombified. So I need to like shower, get myself ready. What time is it now? It's like 9:15. So we actually got up quite early today. So I've actually got a bit more time. Yeah, I pretty much just need to get myself sorted out. And hopefully this time I can actually clear away my makeup. And then I think later on I'm gonna end up having to just pack away most of my stuff so it's ready to kind of go, because yeah, obviously I'm staying the night on tonight again, but then I've got to get out in the following, so Monday. So it's just a very intense. So yeah, I don't really know what is going to be happening. So like a lot of the people that were here yesterday are not going to be here today, so yeah, it's just going to be a crazy day. So I'm going to go and shower and sort my life out, and we'll be back with some craziness. Right, so we're all ready now. I've got all my little outfit on and a nice, I was going to just say pink eye then, but I don't think I should say that. A nice purpley eye. Harriet, oh, well, whatever. Oh god, that lift's out. Oh god.
Oh no.
The lift is out.
I said yesterday that sounded really weird.
Yeah.
It would be a good vlog though.
Trapped in a lift for 24 hours. So yeah, I'm with Harriet at the moment, and we are literally heading down to see Leanne.
Yeah, see how far she's got with her makeup.
It's probably like just starting. there's us like sitting there for hours gas bagging and oh god. Like what time did I even start getting ready? Like I want to say like 10
yeah, I was in the room with you when you're getting ready. Normally when you're with someone and you're talking, it takes ages.
It takes ages.
Actually,
but I think we've done it in a fair amount of time. Like, I know Leanne was saying that she wants to get there like within a good time, but like I think we've done pretty well. I love doing that. I always find it so awkward, like.
yeah, we all just went silent and I was like, you just like, yeah, I think I've done my makeup pretty well.
Yeah, literally. Like I had it earlier, like during the week, and I was like, this like family just walked out and I was there like, hi.
This morning when I was coming down, the lady just came to lift, I think she thought it was empty.
Oh my god.
Looked straight at me and I was like, are you looking at me or my friend on my forehead?
Oh, my forehead. I love that.
There's a bubble gum down here.
Does it?
Yeah, for some reason I got that song in my head, Bubble Butt.
Bubble butt. Okay. Let's go and disturb them.
This bit is whatever, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's so like open.
Oh. Room service?
Not today, thanks.
Hey, gorgeous.
Hey, come on in.
You're ready?
Ash isn't.
Oh, okay.
Love unusual makeup. Look at that
Look at
eyeshadow. Not the
The yellow
eyeshadow,
and
but
green.
eyeshadow. Yeah, but look at the flipping eyeliner.
I'll show you how I do it.
Oh, have you got one of them tricky pen things?
So this lovely little lady is running away from us. It's so sad. So really dodgy. Bye.
Blur out of the car registration on that.
Yeah.
I was like vlogging.
Oh, that's so sad. It's so sad that she's now like had to leave us. And now it's just.
I know, she really
all
wanted
of
to come
us.
as well.
Lovely, lovely people. So yeah, we're just heading inside now. So what time is it?
No, we'll be
Like
fine.
10 minutes to. Yeah, it's probably gonna go and like try and get the meet and greet wristbands. And yeah, just, oh god, I know, the queue's like
I was doing that
ridiculous.
yesterday, so the whole time was 3 hours I spent in that queue.
What, just to get
Yeah,
the
because-
wristbands? Or,
No, all of it put together, like 3 hours.
god, it's just ridiculous. I couldn't be dealing with that. Like, I was like, I kept looking at it and I was like, do I really want to go in there?
They went, I think
I
you went
waited
to,
till it got like empty.
You went to a panel and I ended up being stood right next to you for ages. I was just like, I could have watched this, you know?
Literally. So mad.
Oh, I've got earphones
yeah.
on me if you need them.
I'm just really liking how the makeup has turned out right now.
little Samsung.
It's quite fabulous. And I actually did bring my lipstick with me, so I actually am prepared today. Oh, sorry. We're all on the escalator vlogging, like. This is such a weird thing to do. Should I just leave it on here?
Just leave us all like,
Just leave it on there, like,
oh,
take
my-
me with you.
my camera's broken.
Oh,
See two and it's like that.
literally, I feel like I'm still tired, like, I feel zombified, and my eyes are watering. I'm gonna probably need a drink soon, like, honestly, my throat's so dry. Oh, I know.
I have a card, like I have to get an Uber to Central London because I'm going straight back to Leeds tonight.
Oh god, yeah, no,
I'm going to go tomorrow, but my mum's got work.
yeah. No, I go back tomorrow, so I'm gonna be like catching trains and everything, lugging my massive suitcase around. So I'm like, oh, yeah, literally, I'm not looking forward to the travelling back tomorrow. But it'll be an interesting, fun journey because everywhere has stairs. I complained about this, I think, in the first video. Like everywhere, all of like the stations just have stairs. And like, I'm not the strongest of people. I'm not like the strongest of people. So like lifting up like a bloody massive, like what I can only describe as a 10-ton bloody suitcase, like with all my clothes and makeup, because I pack for like the apocalypse or something.
I've got like 17 outfits, like I'm here for
You pack
I
for your
literally-
apocalypse. How big is my case?
Oh, you pack for
Mine's
like
like
the
an
end of
extra large
days,
from
like complete end of days. It's madness.
You never know when you need extra, do you?
Exactly. Like I haven't worn half of the clothes that I brought.
I'm like, this is
But yeah,
I'm like,
so
trying to get him in, like,
we're just walking up now. It's very quiet at the moment, but
no crowd
it's
screaming
because
for us.
yeah, they were screaming it for us yesterday. Like they obviously don't know that we're here yet, you know. Oh, honey. I'm such a weirdo.
Like, they haven't gone in yet.
Oh.
He's amazing. Amazing.
Oh, this is so cute. I am like, I love my friends so much. Oh, that was amazing.
Oh my god.
So guys, Josh is just meeting some of his friends. Hi, sorry.
devil here made me go on that.
Hi.
These two. The reason, I've literally just eaten lunch and they just let me go on that. We've literally like just come on. I literally don't feel like I can walk properly.
I'm amazing! I'm amazing!
I cannot even. I honestly, like my head. We'll try and get that in there. Literally, I can't even like, I don't even know what to say. I'm literally so messed up. What time is it? It's like 3:10. I've got like 2 meeting groups at 4, so I'm like, mental. So I need to like have a little wander around and see what I can muster up. Yeah. So I actually do this properly. Okay.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm great.
Now I have to say, I love this one. I see you all the time.
I know.
And I adore
Far
you.
too much.
Oh, not
No,
enough.
Not enough. Not enough.
No,
I love
but thank you. No, I adore you, and it's always nice to have your support. And like,
You're amazing. So good. So we've literally just left. Everyone's so depressed and sad. We're all just tired, I think.
Someone must be hot water.
Just like splash me with water or something. Yeah, so we're literally just heading back to the hotel, actually. I don't actually know what we're actually doing. We're heading.
What's that? What's she saying?
Yeah, so I think we're heading back now. The main stage is still open, but like we kind of just are knackered and we want food. So yeah, I think we're gonna just chill and watch some RuPaul on Netflix and
Pack. I need to pack.
oh yeah, I need to pack as well. All my stuff's still on the floor.
All my stuff's everywhere.
Like I haven't folded my clothes. I don't even feel like I'm gonna be able to. I'm just gonna throw it all in and just hope for the best.
When we get back to the hotel. Oh, I'm gonna let you have your last minute.
Oh, so good. Well, I'm probably going to continue vlogging at some point today anyway, but yeah, I may.
No, I'm just behind it now.
No, you're all just behind me. Yeah, so we're literally just wandering back.
No
I
cream.
literally need some water. I'm so dehydrated today. I got to meet Roly and I got these from Gary C, which was really fun. And they are signed, which is cute. I love that for me. And then yeah, we're just pretty much, I don't really know what to say anymore, like I'm just distracted. Okay, so I've been just been into the girls' room. We've just been like having a chilled out evening, so it's now pretty late. I do need to be getting to some sleep, but before that I just wanted to kind of showcase this quickly. I'm gonna come into the bathroom because it'll be easy to see. I don't know if you can tell, but I've got some falsies on. So, for those of you who don't know, I really struggle putting on fake eyelashes. So my lovely friend Leanne actually helped me out with this one, and she gifted me these gorgeous indigo rosy eyelashes, and they're in the, well, I don't even know what kind of like name to call it, because like it's not shade, it's not anything like that, it's just, they are called lotus lashes. So Indigo Rose is one of our friends' eyelash company, and these are actually stunning. And I did put these on myself, and I got them on pretty much like first time. How mad is that? And they literally are just like so cute and voluptuous. Oh, so make sure that you're checking her eyelashes out. And big thank you as well to Leanne for you know, gifting these to me. It's really, really kind of you, and that means like the world to me. And I will be pretty much purchasing some of these lashes like ASAP, because they're actually, I literally just can't stop looking at them. I'm like, oh my god. But anyway, you guys, I'm gonna finish this vlog off now. So that is the end of Summer in the City 2019. It's a sad day. It's been so nice to see everyone, meet everyone. I've had such a good weekend in general, and yeah, just really enjoyed my time here. But yeah, so I hope that you guys also enjoyed this these videos these vlogs, and yeah, I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.